Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into iCloud Mail on Windows 11 easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser on your Windows 11 device. In the address bar, type in the URL for iCloud, which is www.icloud.com. Press the Enter key on your keyboard to navigate to the website. Once the iCloud homepage loads, look for the Sign In button and click on it. You will now be prompted to enter your Apple ID. Type your Apple ID into the designated field. Next, click on the arrow or press Enter to proceed. Now, you will need to enter your password. Type your password in the provided box. If you want to remain signed in on this device, check the box labeled Keep Me Signed In. After entering your details, click on the arrow icon to log in. If you've enabled two-factor authentication, you'll receive a verification code on your trusted device. Retrieve the code and enter it in the designated field on the iCloud login page. Once you've entered the verification code, click on the arrow to continue. After successfully logging in, you will be directed to your iCloud dashboard. From here, locate and click on the Mail icon to access your iCloud Mail. Congratulations, you are now logged into your iCloud Mail on Windows 11. Feel free to explore your inbox and manage your emails as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.